Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab, and from here, just copy the quiz link, paste over here, hit enter. And if you want to complete the quiz, there is not any issue. Okay, you can just type demo and just complete the quizzes. But if we just consider over here, there is no check my progress bar. So you can keep the lab running for 5 minutes. All things will be done. After that, we'll see whether we are able to get the score or not. And if you want to perform the quiz, you can just mention it like this. Okay. So it's basic quiz. Okay. So you have to simply answer all these quiz if you want. And if you don't want, you can simply skip it. Now wait for 5 minutes and after that simply end the lab. Now here you can clearly see 5 minutes have passed. After that you have to simply end the lab, and if you want to verify that whether you have got the score for this lab or not, you have to click on your profile, just right click and open the progress, and from here simply verify. You can see 100% score and passed. Now you can end the lab. You'll get the point without any issue.